Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Let's Grab the Web. I'm Asad Ali, and in this video I will tell you how you can install virtual environment in your Windows computer. First of all, if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, click the subscribe button for more videos about Python and web scraping. Okay, if you don't have Anaconda Navigator installed in your computer already, watch this video first where I tell few simple steps to install Anaconda Navigator. Or it's also fine if you want to use Windows default terminal command prompt. The process is pretty much same. To open terminal, search cmd in search bar and it will show terminal open command prompt. Okay, if you have Anaconda installed, type Anaconda and open Anaconda terminal. I have opened both Windows and Anaconda in case you have either of these. Now let's install virtual environment. For that, type python-m pip install virtual env. If you have already installed this, it will show you requirement already installed. If not, it will simply download and install a virtual environment. Now let's navigate to the folder where you want to set up virtual environment. In my case, I would navigate to desktop and my tutorials folder. Okay. Now press python. Let's type and check if my virtual environment is there and it's working fine. Now type python-m virtual env. Press enter and it will show you a couple of commands. Look here, it says environment directory missing, which means that we need to mention the directory where you want to install your virtual environment. Okay, let me name it my venv. Okay, now let's name our virtual environment. Press enter and it will take a few seconds to create your virtual environment. Let's clear the screen, press dir and see my venv created. Okay, you can see my virtual environment there, and you can also go to the folder where you created the virtual environment and you will see a folder created there. Okay, so now since virtual environment is created, let's activate the virtual environment. To do that, type / your virtual environment name, in my case my venv / scripts / activate, and press enter, and you will see that you can see the name of your virtual environment in brackets here. Okay, now you can install libraries, run Python scripts. Now to deactivate your virtual environment, type deactivate, press enter, and it will deactivate the virtual environment. This is all for today. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.